The EU referendum for the UK Brexit has some call. It might be 2 years away. We don't really officially know when. Quick, non-political debate or answer, but thoughts and opinions on that? Will that create a lot of uncertainty, any uncertainty, and how do you see that affecting mostly the UK, because that's who will be affected?
Well, it's certainly a big issue for if you invest other people's money responsibly, you want to know where you end up. I remember we had a pretty interesting deal in front of us in Glasgow around the Scottish referendum. And I think fundamentally the deal was great, but the uncertainty surrounding a potential exit of Scotland. We didn't do the deal. I couldn't convince the investment committee to do the deal surrounding this uncertainty. We should have done it now with the benefit of hindsight, but maybe not, because if the whole UK leaves the European Union, there may be a mess. So it's a big issue for us.
Just so I may add, I don't see it as a dramatic issue, beside all the technical things, by the way. I think when we go, let's say, to 2017, maybe Miss Merkel, she's a clever lady, she'll think about how can we bring the EU again together and kick some out. Let's say this quite harsh, but I can imagine that the EU in 2017 will be not the EU of 28 these days. Plus or minus UK, I don't know, hopefully plus. But I think this will be the main measurable impact on our activities we see as a risk for the next 2 years than a Brexit, sorry. I don't think so. It will cool down in short-term things, investments, sentiments get high but I don't think this. But we have to re-ask ourselves, what is the future of the EU as a whatever. So and this will grab the market much more, I can imagine.
That might all be kind of swept away by the demand to place capital. So it's a push and pull. But,
so it would be a pause rather than...
Yeah, I think so. I mean, it's pretty unlikely that, never say never, but the vote will take Britain out of the EU. And that small risk, I think, will get overridden by the demand to just invest in the market.